there, it's naturally, and we're going to make some typewriter keys. Some fake typewriter keys. I have some air dry clay that I just got out of it's a little Crayola brand. I got it at Walmart, and some soften it up just a little bit. Maybe roll it into like a tube, so I don't have to deal with so much thickness. A coil, and then I've got 2 wonderful rulers, vintage rulers from my collection, and just a closet rod dowel stick thing. And so I'm just going to roll out. This keeps it to a consistent thickness. And I'm just on a piece of parchment paper. You can put it on wax paper, you can put it on plastic. Whatever, plastic will keep it from drying out quite so fast. And I've got, this is the lid off my glue stick, and I think it's a chapstick. Actually, I just found this and I thought, that looks like about the right size to do this, but I think it might be a chapstick lid. So I've already tested this and I know that this is the right size, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut whatever I can cut from this length. I don't want to get too close to the edges because the edges are kind of cracky. Okay, I've got all of those cut, and I've wrapped up my excess, kind of like cookie dough. Put it over here and just put a piece of plastic over it so it wouldn't dry out till I get to it. And then this is easier if you pick it up and then you can center, if I'm pretty even in there. Back down with some pressure. You can kind of see it raise up on the edges of the little lid. And while I'm here, I must go ahead and smooth out those edges. Pull that off, and there's the typewriter key. Okay, whenever I make something, I just can't just make 1 or 2 of something, so I made a whole handful of these and took them out and I sprayed them with a little, like an aluminum spray. You could just do silver. And then I didn't want them exactly super shiny, so I misted them with some hammered bronze special effects spray paint, and I held the can a long ways away. So anyway, I've got these cute little faux typewriter, and I can't remember faux typewriter keys. I can't remember. I saw a video and I can't remember who it was, but I'll do some research, see if I can find that video again on YouTube, and I'll put the link in my comments below. And so here's one of the little, I've got a little sheet of typewriter keys that I've printed out like that. And so I've already cut one of them. And so there's my little O, and do you need? Okay, and so that'll sit right in there like that. Let me scoot it down a little bit so you can see, scoot off of some of this silver color. So now we have go, and I've been making these little the map tags. I'm probably going to use that on there. Let me pull in just a little bit. And I don't know if that's what I'll use on there or not, but I think those are pretty cute. I'm going to go see if I can find my glue stick, or, oh, here it is. Let's see if a glue stick will work for this. So I'm just using an Elmer's glue stick. Again, I got quite a bit on there. Okay, I think that's going to work. Thanks for watching. Bye.